You are going to love the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, compass, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.